Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see multiple decorators in Python programming. Okay, so we are going to create out two decorators, deck1 and deck2. We are going to pass a function parameter func. Within this, we are going to have a wrapper function. Let's use the def keyword here, and this is going to just um, decorate the function for us. Let's say decorator 1 runs. We will just try to just give the parameter func here, and let's just try to run here that decorator 1 ends. Okay, so let's just try to create the same decorator, another decorator. Let's just first of all try to get return to our wrapper method. Let's just simply edit the second decorator. Okay, we can just edit it here, right? And I can just return simply. Here I can just actually define out my deck 1, and I can just give my deck 2. Simply I'm going to give my actual function, which is say hello, and which is going to print out simply hi for me. We are just going to call our say hello, and we are just going to get the response. You can see here decorator 1 runs, decorator 2 runs, and then we just received out hi, and decorator 2 ends and decorator 1 ends. This is how we are just decorating out our function. We have just passed out this say hello to our decorator 1, to our decorator 2. Wrapper function initially will run, right? Then decorator 2 will run, then function is being called, so hi will run, right? Then print a statement of decorator 1 and 2 will run, right? This is how you can just perform out multiple decorators in a Python language. Okay, so simply at the end you are just going to return out the wrapper method, so that you can just get the printing of decorator 1 runs and decorator 1 ends. Same for decorator 2 runs, and is like similar. Thank you so much.